English speaking. In this speech, I'll discuss the
I was just having the degree in my hands, but not the skill. 10,000 kicks. Once. Just learn one sentence for 100 days and you'll break the record. So you become fluent at English speaking. How to speak English fluently in 10 days. Do you know that? Fluency means saying words straightforward, effortlessly, and smoothly.
English speaking. In this speech, I'll discuss the value of English speaking, its importance in
Speaking English fluently is a habit. The first question isn't, will you become fluent at English speaking or not? But the question is, are you sincerely committed to invest time, effort, and enthusiasm in practicing daily English language? Do you know that fluency comes when you do remarkable practice? English fluency is like playing a guitar. The more you practice playing guitar, the more proficient you become. Do you know that? I am masters of arts in English. And the sad part was, still I was not speaking English fluently. I was just having the degree in my hands, but not the skill. I used to forget the words and sentences in interviews and in presentations. I started doing commentary in English. I started doing cricket commentary in English, but I was struggling to speak fluent English. I also lost the job because of not speaking English. But doing English commentary, it was not effortless. It shook my confidence. I had decided not to speak English at all. I was going to quit the dream of speaking English fluently and confidently. But suddenly I learned and came to know that speaking English is a daily practice and habit. Speak, speak, and speak everywhere, wherever you get the chance to speak. So I realized that instead of delivering the 10 different speeches for 10 days, why not deliver just one speech for consecutive 10 days? Instead of speaking 10 different sentences, why not speak one English sentence for 10 days? The magic will happen. First, you will build your confidence and you will then build your fluency. A renowned martial artist and actor Bruce Lee has said that, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. That is the power of focus, practice, consistency, doing one thing at a time with more repetition, repeating the process, repeating the things, same thing again and again and again. That's what I have been telling you, that repetition is the mother of all skills. Now I am fluent at English speaking. I don't require that much effort to speak English. I use same sentences, same introduction more often. It's not how many sentences you speak, it's how many times you practice. It's not how long sentences you are speaking, it's how long you are practicing. Instead of learning 100 different sentences, just learn one sentence for 100 days and you'll break the records. You can also copy my experience and start doing what I have done. Initially, learn a handful of sentences in English and remember one thing, use and speak those same sentences on daily basis, again and again and again. Repeat the process of speaking English. When you learn a few sentences in English for a longer duration of time, in this way you become fluent at English speaking. You will have a remarkable fluency in English speaking. If you want more improvement in English speaking, watch Khursheed sir's English videos on YouTube.